Local rice farmers are in a tizzy prepping their yield of unhusked grains or palay for NFA procurement at premium prices. Some 300 metric tons have been sold thus far to the NFA by mostly eager, enthusiastic rice farmers, leaving them with a sense of appreciation and looking forward to the next planting season. This as the House mulls reinstatement of the NFA's old function to sell rice at the lowest prices, as we hear from our Mela Lesmoras once more.
Farmers in Nueva Ecija are eager to sell their harvest to the National Food Authority. Recently, the NFA approved a higher buying price for farmers' palay from the previous max amount of up to 23 pesos a kilogram to 30 pesos nowadays.
Napagkaisahan namin na kami mismo ang magbababa ng aming palay, kami mismo ang magre-resack ng palay, kami mismo ang magkakamada upang maisaayos at tuloy-tuloy, smoothly na maipasok ang palay ng mga magsasaka.
Dito na po kami nagdi-deliver ngayon mga farmers. At nagpapasalamat po kami kay Presidente Bongbong Marcos, kay DA Secretary Kiko Laurel, na nagkaroon po kami ng pagkakataon na gumanda pa lalo yung presyo ng palay namin dito sa Nueva Ecija.
Very successful po ngayon ang aming price range policy. Tatapatan na namin ng mga traders at kada linggo bago po ang presyo namin. So ito po, pag ito'y tuyo at malinis, ito po ay 23 hanggang 30 pesos.
According to the NFA, they have already purchased up to 300,000 metric tons of palay at the current procurement rate. This constitutes the buffer stock of rice distributed by the NFA during times of calamity. To boost rice production and raise farmers' income amidst the onslaught of El Nino, the National Irrigation Administration is aiding irrigators associations in contract growing. The NIA compensates farmers prior to planting. Among the program participants are farmers from Zamboanga, Cebu, who have also been provided with free water pumps and had their irrigation systems repaired in Cabasalan.
We still have 2 to 3 months nga drought. So you can see next week murag nagkuha na among farmers daghanan ni kani maglihok.
The NIA is projected to harvest up to 200,000 metric tons of palay from 40,000 hectares of rice fields under contract farming. This yield will be sold at a low price ranging from 34 to 40 pesos to consumers.
May makadiwa sa NIA, kadiwa ng Pangulo po yun. So mga sa kadiwa lang namin sa ibebenta.
Farmers in Ilocos Sur have received support worth 25 million pesos from the Department of Agriculture. This includes financial aid of 5,000 pesos, seeds, fertilizers, and water pumps or irrigation. With Clazel Pordilla, Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.